Definitely giving me like a sew-in. This is not giving me a wig look at all. Like, do you guys see how flat? Oh my god, and how full this would be like a super cute wig to do like a ponytail with too. Down bun, but this is definitely giving me like sew-in vibes. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back with another wig review. It's something interesting about this wig. Okay, so the obvious is this wig is super duper long. I believe it's like 26 inches. It's a really long wig. So big shout out to WowEbony for sponsoring today's video. It's been a long time since I've done a review for WowEbony, but Nevertheless though, we're going to get into it and we're going to talk about it. So this is a full lace wig, so meaning you get lace all around your head from the back to the front, as I showed you guys in the video. Let's get into the pros and then we'll get into the cons. So the pro is this texture, which I feel like is a light yaki texture. I think this texture is really nice. It's my second favorite texture just because it's a lot fuller than the silky straight texture, but it's not as thick as the kinky texture. So as you guys saw in the video, I really didn't have to apply a lot of heat to this hair because it was already straight. And because of the thickness of it, it didn't require as much heat, which is really surprising. I honestly thought I was going to have to put a lot of heat in this hair to get a more bone straight look, but honestly I didn't. And I don't even know if it's showing up on camera just how full this hair really is for it to be the length that it is. Like, look how full that is on the ends. I don't think I've never had a texture like this be this long and this full on the ends. This is really interesting, and it is more so on a jet black look. So if you've been looking for a wig that's more so jet black, that you don't have to dye or worry about messing up the lace, this is definitely a wig to consider because it is black, baby. It is a black wig. Yeah, so obviously texture on point. Obviously this is a 360 lace frontal wig like I showed you guys at the beginning. This hair texture is really full, not a whole lot of hair to the point where it kind of like gets on your nerves. This is just a really nice full straight wig that is still going to have a lot of body, a lot of movement when you're walking, and that's what you want in a lace frontal wig, and that's what you want in a wig, period. This is definitely giving me like sew-in vibes, really. And honestly, it's really interesting because I wasn't getting that vibe at first, but now I am. It's definitely giving me natural look vibes without, you know, like all the baby hairs and all the lace and stuff like that. Definitely a wig that, you know, you can put on and go. Definitely a wig that is going to be low maintenance. This wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline. It did not come with pre-bleached knots, and we're going to get into that in a minute, but this wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline. And even though this texture is full, I love that, as you guys saw in the video, I love how this hair was parting out on the lace, and just how it wasn't thin, but it was to the point where I didn't have to go in and do any extra plucking. Wherever I parted my hair, I was getting scalp. Definitely giving me like a sew-in. This is not giving me a wig look at all, unless I'm just tripping through the camera right now. So those are the pros. Now let's get into the cons. There's not many cons, but there is a big con. As you guys saw, this lace was extremely light. It did not blend with my skin at all, which also resulted in me going for this look instead and not doing any baby hair. So I guess, I mean, it worked out at the end of the day. And honestly, nowadays I don't have the time to go in and tint the lace and try to figure out how to make the lace darker. Like, I don't have time for that. I don't even want you guys to go through that, because that's part of the reason why I come at you guys with these wig videos, is because I want it to be a simple install for you. I want it to definitely be a beginner friendly wig install, because that is the reason why we come to YouTube for a lot of stuff, because we want to learn how to do something that we obviously don't know how to do or want to improve on. Overall, let me just say this: if you are looking for a wig that doesn't look like a wig, but you need that conveniency of a wig, this is definitely a wig to consider, because there are so many good pros with this wig, minus the color of the lace. And if you cut a lot of the lace off like I did in the video, I think you'll be just fine. Honestly, I really do, because I mean, the wig actually turned out to be really cute. I just wanted to do a different look with it and ended up coming up with this look instead. So it ended up working out. But if you are looking for more of a natural install that looks like a sew-in, definitely go this route. Even if you're looking for an install that doesn't necessarily look like a sew-in, but it just looks more natural, this is a really good wig to consider, minus the lace color. I would cut the lace off as much as possible so that it's not visible, but this texture, the color, how flat this wig lays, the parting space on this wig, how it feels on my head, those things are pros. Those things are definitely something that you need in a lace frontal wig. So yeah, that's all I really got to say about today's wig look. It is very much giving. So yeah, that does it for today's video. I will make sure I have everything below in the description bar because I know I did not mention too much of the tea on this wig in this video. So I'll make sure I have that below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Check out WowEbony Hair to see what type of coupons they may be having with this upcoming Black Friday holiday sale. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.